So you see Builderall review scam, Builderall business scam, the biggest mistake you can make. Is it a scam for Builderall? Warning, Builderall scam or not? Etc. etc.
I don't know what this is, but it's kind of hot.
Hello, in this video I would like to address the Builderall scam issue. Yesterday I sent a video for the digital marketing 90 days content challenge. It was a joke. I say Builderall scam, and I say scam stands for Super Checkout Affiliate Manager. That's it. In this video I don't even address the definition of scam. I do like if it doesn't exist, and I say, yeah, why do you see Builderall scam? Because it's for Super Checkout Affiliate Manager. And then I explain what it is in Builderall. And then the comments, some of the comments, they say, I don't know if Eric, which is this CEO of Builderall, if Eric will like this. You should ask him if he's okay with it. Another one, run it past Eric or Brad. Brad is a marketing director. Or Brad first, lest they miss the acronym and run you off the reservation. So why? Because they don't like scam. And why? You see on YouTube, when you search for Builderall scam, but it's like this for any product which have an affiliate program or not, maybe. Scam is a word that people like to use to say, oh, it's a scam. But so you see Builderall review scam, Builderall business scam, the biggest mistake you can make. Is it a scam for Builderall? Warning, Builderall scam or not? Etc. etc. Builderall scam. So a lot of people are using it, and what they do is they say, mostly they say, no, it's not a scam. You can trust it, and here is my link for a 7-day free trial. Try Builderall, is not a scam. And maybe, I'm not sure, but maybe in those videos, some are saying, yes, it is a scam because this and this. I don't know, honestly, I haven't watched all those videos, but some of them I watched, and it was like this. They say, no, it's not a scam. Why? First, I would say that the one who say it's a scam, they are wrong, totally wrong. It's stupid. A scam. So a scam or confidence trick is an attempt to defraud a person or group by gaining their confidence. So a confidence trick is an attempt to defraud a person or group after first gaining their confidence. Used in the classical sense of trust, confidence tricks exploit characteristics of the human psyche, such as credulity, naivety, compassion, vanity, irresponsibility, and greed. So definition is a distinctive species of fraudulent conduct, intending to further voluntary exchanges that are not mutually beneficial, as they benefit con operators, so Builderall, at the expense of their victim, their customers. So how come Builderall could be a scam? They offer a product, it's a digital marketing platform with a lot of tools, and then of course it has a price. So the marks will be the customer, the one who are paying for Builderall, and so the conman will be Builderall because they don't deliver what people think they are paying for. So could not we say this for everything? Everything is too expensive. You buy another software, ClickFunnels, Wix, or any software or any product, I think you have paid more than it is worth. Even if it was really cheap, it could be even cheaper. Or you could have found it in the street, it would be for free. So it's crazy to call it scam. But I think why people are searching for scam is because a lot of promotion about Builderall and about other software is based on make money with this software, how to make money, and there are several ways to make money with Builderall, and it's true, it's not fake. First, for me, most obvious is to resell it. You sell Builderall to other people, the product, and then you get an affiliate commission.
Wow!
So that's a way to earn money with Builderall, is by promoting it, sell it to others, so they can use it for whatever they want, and then you make money on your customer, on the one who have bought Builderall. That's a way to make money, but it's not the only one. Because it's a digital marketing platform. When you bought Builderall, you can create pages and websites, sales funnels, everything in order to make money by selling what you want, whatever you want.
Fucker right in the pussy.
Not selling Builderall itself, just selling products online. Other affiliate programs, if you want, you can make pages, sales funnels, or capture email and then send email to sell other products. This, you can do all this and a lot more with Builderall. Or what you could do also is to create sales funnel, create websites for other people, for your customers, and then you sell them your services as a webmaster, designer. So that's 3 ways to make money with Builderall. But in the past, I think there was a promotion about making money with Builderall. Just you buy Builderall, then you create a sales funnel, or you just import the sales funnels in Builderall and you resell Builderall, and that's the way to make money. That was one of the way which was promoted.
Hey,
and then
that's pretty good.
Then here you can say, oh, it's a scam, because you buy Builderall in order to make money to resell it, but once you bought it, you install the sales funnels, you need to attract traffic to your sales funnels, and on this traffic, maybe 1% or 5% will buy Builderall, and then you will make money. But in reality, people, when they buy Builderall to do that, they manage to import the funnels, and then they promote it, but very, very small, at a very small scale. So only a few people come on their sales funnels, and 1% of 50 people is nobody. So they don't make sales, or they don't make a lot of sales. And so after you can say, oh, this was a scam. But what was the scam? It's not Builderall. It's what has been sold to you, which was to make money. You do this. So you buy this product, which is Builderall. You do this and this, and at the end you will make money, a lot of money. Like me, look at me, I make a lot of money. Yes, but this person who convinced you to buy Builderall and to do all this, that's what, if you want to do it, that's what you should do. That's it. That means make a video, attract people like you were attracted to these sales funnels. You are 1 out of 100 who has bought into Builderall. And the scam was because you started to trust this person on video, and you bought the product, and you did some things that was said by this person, and finally you didn't earn money, so you feel like you have been scammed. But in fact, it's not true, it's not a scam, because okay, they gain your trust. Why? Because they publish videos, so you trust a video that's on you first, and then they talk in the video, but in order to convince people, people need to listen to this video, and then you bought it and you do what they tell you. But for sure you didn't do a lot, because if you did a lot, you would have a lot of traffic on your videos, and you would first make videos yourself and gain trust, try to gain trust with the videos, attract traffic and sell, and you could do the same, you could have results. But if you don't, it means maybe you have just installed the funnels and wait for traffic to come. It will not happen. Either you buy traffic, so you invest money, you buy traffic to come to your funnel, and even then, the funnel is not really a trust building. To build trust, you need to do videos. And in the videos to inspire trust. So those are techniques like politicians and marketers. You need to work on this: what to say, how to say it, smile, what lightning, what should be in the background of your video. All those things that will help you build trust on some people who will watch your videos. But if you didn't do any videos, or you did a few videos and badly done with no strategy, no technique, and if you don't send traffic, so you will not make money. So was this even a scam in the first place? I would say no. A scam will be really a defraud attempt, like lying to you. But in those videos, they were not lying. They were saying, oh, you do this, you will make money. But it was not a lie, it's true. You can do, but you need a lot of work, a lot of knowledge, and apply it, which was not done by most. So in that sense, yes, it was a scam, because the person who does the video knows perfectly well that most people who will buy Builderall, will start to do the step, they will go nowhere, because that's the reality in everything. you have more than 90% of people who even try, who will not get results in everywhere. So you know that, but you do a video saying, "Oh, you who are watching the video, you can do it. You can." But it's true for 1% of the, or less than of the people watching the video. But when you say it, you know it's false for most people, but you say it nonetheless, and that's where scam might be, because you know very well that most people will not be able to do it because they won't. That's it. If they were to do it, to do what is required, then they will make money. There is no discrimination on this. If you put the work, you learn and apply the techniques that are known, you can research. If you do that, then you will have success. It's not based on luck or other things. It's just doing the work cleverly and doing it also, because most people won't do it. They don't have time. That's why. And to finish this video, I would say, conclude, is Builderall a scam? Really not. It's not. You look at it. I made a website to promote Builderall, the tools. What is Builderall? Software with over 30 tools for digital marketing. So there are a lot of tools, but the most important that you have to keep in mind is that it's a web hosting, it's a web editor, and email autoresponder. Those three things. So web hosting, a place where to live, to have your content to live on the internet. A web editor, in order to create the pages of your, to create your content. So the web editor, and an email autoresponder, because now, even in 2019, email is a communication tool which is used by most people. Even if we can hear, oh, email is dead, email marketing is dead, young people don't use email. No, they do use email, because there's no other way. Of course, you can, even if you want to open a Google account, you will have an email, because with Google account you can then log in on some services which allow you to sign up and log in with your Google account or your Facebook account. But at the base, you need an email to join Facebook, or you need an email to, when you create a Google account, you get an email. And okay, maybe some people never use email, because some services, they don't have a Google or Facebook account login. You still need an email. So you would tell me, yeah, maybe some people don't use email. Okay, good, but it's good for them. I don't know how they manage to do that, but it's not the majority. The majority still use email. And email marketing is a good tool, because of course you will be asking people for their email. So those who don't want, they don't give you their email. But those who want, accept, they give their email. And then it's a powerful tool in digital marketing to be able to send email in massive send, and automated. Create your sequence of emails, and they are sent automatically. Each time someone subscribes, then day one they receive the first email, day two the second email, and then you can create scenarios like if they click on this link in this email, then they will start to receive this sequence of email which talk more about what the link was about. You can really create a big scenario to make it customized for each person, but you don't have to. But in Builderall, you have this powerful tool, email marketing. Of course, web hosting, web editor, email marketing. And then you have, as I said, over 30 tools. So you have a lot of other tools which usually you can find elsewhere. So there are other software, and you have to integrate them with your web hosting, with your content online. But here it's all in one platform, which means, so first, you don't have to pay for those tools because you are already paying for the platform. But the second most important is that they are so well integrated with the other tools, like the web editor or the email autoresponder. You don't have to find a way to integrate them. I will give you an example. For instance, you have the webinar tool. So it's to create a live presentations, live or pre-recorded as you want. But the webinar tool, you can buy it on another software. But here you have it inside the platform. So you use this one, it means that it's connected to everything else, all the other tools. So for instance, when you create your page, host your webinar, to put your webinar so people come there, or when you create emails to send people to your webinar, it's very easy to integrate because it's the same company who does all the tools. So you understand why it's important. It makes you not lose time or find situation where it's impossible to connect one tool with another because you use different services and they are not yet, there's no way to connect, or you need to find this way maybe. But here it's all integrated. If you can't find how to do it, you contact support in Builderall and you ask support, and they will tell you, oh, in this way you can connect our tools. You know, so you have one payment per month to do, and you have all your tools for digital marketing. You don't need to ask this company, how can I integrate your tool into my website? My website is on this other company. Maybe they will tell you, we don't offer support for this other company. You need to contact them. Then you contact them. You say, oh, I have my website on your service and I want to connect this tool. And they will tell you, we don't give support for all the tools in the world, so we don't know. You have to look for yourself. So you go on a forum and you will ask your question, and maybe someone will reply and something else, like promoting another tool. No, don't use this one, use this one because you can integrate it with this. Oh, you lose a lot of time for nothing. At the end of the day, maybe it will not work and you will have only a few connections possible, really the minimum. Here, you can have the best connection. And if there is something that is not possible, but you think it should be possible, you ask support, submit the support ticket, and maybe they will think that, yes, this is important, they will add it, because all those tools, they have developers, so they can easily connect and add these new features for everybody. So that's how it happens in the past already, to have this level of power in Builderall now. So you see, you have all those tools and you are paying a monthly fee. So is it a scam? Because they say we have all those tools and you have to pay this, trust us, and you pay, and then you what? And then what? You don't get the tools? You do get them. Maybe you will find a tool that is not as best as these other tools, which is specialized in this. And then you say, oh, it's a scam because the tools in Builderall is not as good as this one. Maybe, I mean, that's why you can make a video saying Builderall is a scam, because what you expected is not what is inside. For instance, the autoresponder, this autoresponder is not the same as this other one. If you think it's the same, and then you buy Builderall and you find out it's not the same, and you will say it's a scam, but who told you that it's the same? You say it's an email autoresponder. So, of course, they're all different because they are developed by different developers, and the features each have are not the same. But for the autoresponder, let me tell you, this Builderall is very powerful. It's so I will not say it's more powerful than anyone else, but when you integrate it in your website, the integration with your website made in Builderall is very advanced. So I don't know the others how well they could integrate with every website, but this one is very powerful. You have also a tool called CRM, Customer Relationship Management, where you can write, for your customer, you can write the history, and this also can be integrated with the email autoresponder. So when someone clicks on a link in this email, it will a reference to this person clicking on this link will be added in the CRM information. So when you call this customer and you open his profile on your CRM, you will know what he did in your system or which page he has seen. This is powerful. So when you talk to him, you can say, oh, you have seen this tool or this offer, and so what do you think about it? You can talk as if you know this customer very well because you have all this information in front of you. That's what CRM is used for, to keep track of customers, so that you don't call them and who are you already? What have you bought? No, you know everything about him. It's better for your relationship with the customer. So, you have SMS messaging. You can send a SMS on your phone and other tools. So this, I'm not going to make the list of tools. But that's it for this video. It was about the word scam used for Builderall, and there is no reason really to justification. So when you go to YouTube, you see scam. It's about using this word scam for, I don't know, to attract views on people who will look for Builderall scam, and then they will go to this video and see it's not scam. This video says it's not scam and try it 7 days. But who will type Builderall scam in YouTube? So I did for this video. So I mean, in the number of searches for this keyword, it will increase again. But am I a good prospect? No, because I already have Builderall. So someone doing a video about this, even if I watch it, I will not end up his customer. But this is very spread to use a scam and the name of the product. But usually it's made when a product has just been released, because then you will have people knowing first about this product because the promotion is high, because it's new, and they will ask themselves, oh, is it a scam? What, this offer is too good to be true? And maybe they will type the name of the product and scam, or the name of the product and review. As you can see here, review, here Builderall review. That's when people know about the product and want more information about it before making a decision. So review will be better. If they ask themselves, is it scam? And you have to convince them, no, it's not, you can try with my link. Anyway, that's why you have some videos with Builderall scam in the title. And it's not really bad. So to come back to this, when they say, oh, you have to ask Eric, the CEO, or the marketing director, if you can use this in your title and the video, oh, we are free to speak, okay? It's not, why would I send my video to ask, can I still keep it, or should I delete it because I have the word scam inside, you know? If people read the Builderall scam, they will think it's a scam. Oh man, wake up, it's not, if it was like this, it would be a really bad company, really dictatorship. Like, oh, you cannot put scam in your videos. If you do, we will remove you. Yes, you will remove me. So first, this is stupid, and secondly, this is the best way to have a lot of videos with a Builderall scam. If you act like this, like stupidly like this, then I'm removed from Builderall, so I have nothing else to fear. And then I can add other words than scam. So this is a bad move. And from what I've seen, it's not like this. So those people, maybe they want good, they give good advice to protect the company because they love it. But they are mistaken. It's not because you have Builderall scam in a video that that Builderall will be more seen as a scam or not. All softwares, all products have videos with scam after, because people think it's a way to get sales, but it's not really. It's not the good keyword for it. I don't think it works. It's more like people do it because they have made a lot of videos. For me, it was a joke. Before, I don't think, but I'm not sure. But I don't think I did a video with scam after. Maybe I did in the past. I don't know, but I don't think so. But I did it as a joke. But if I was to do it, it's because maybe I already did a lot of videos with other keywords, and then you have to produce content all the time, and then at one point you will think of using scam. Way before that, you will think about using the keyword review or worth it. Is Builderall worth it? Things like this. I mean, you will, when you look at in YouTube, you type Builderall and you look at what is suggested. So affiliate program, USA, 3.0, those are things that people type, but they type with Builderall first, so they know about Builderall. So those are not the best keywords, but if you want to do videos with Builderall in the name, in the title, then you will look for things like this, to find ideas. Bootcamp, okay, I will do a video called with a bootcamp in the title, and then, and you produce every day. So at one point you will find with scam, okay, I will do one with a scam in the title, and I will say it's not a scam, blah, blah. So that's it. There's nothing bad about it, just a keyword like others. When you type what is before Builderall, what comes when people search for Builderall, what do they tap before? So you put any sign in front, space. So you see, make money with Builderall. So I will need to make a video with the title "Make Money with Builderall." Best Builderall tool. KS Builderall. So qu'est-ce que Builderall? Ça c'est, it's Spanish maybe. Chatbot, landing page Builderall, Builderall affiliate program. And you can find also scam. So just do one with scam. It doesn't matter. It's not important, and I don't think any grown-up company can will want to do anything to remove a video, to apply pressure on its customers, because I am a customer of Builderall. They will not apply pressure in order to remove content, videos. It's not good business practice. It's a Barbara Streisand effect. If you do that, you will have 10 more videos from this individual. Imagine you ban these users, you ban it, and he can then produce a lot, because if you have what they say, a happy customer will tell one person about it, an unhappy customer will tell 10 person about it. So you have to pick up your battles as a company. So you will not do this. You can do when for other things more problematic, then you can apply pressure with lawyers, but not for stupid things like this. Just using a keyword. Okay.
Don't
Bye-bye.
let your kids watch it.